Hello, everybody. I know some of you might feel discouraged because changing the ways of Washington is hard. It's harder than a lot of you thought it might be. Sometimes it may make you feel like that it's not possible. You might want to give up. Don't give up. I don't want you to feel discouraged. I want you to understand that it just means we got to push that much harder. It means that we've got to keep up the fight. The forces of the status quo may not give an inch, but we will not give an inch. Because we didn't come this far to put things off. We didn't come here to play it safe. We didn't do all this work to take the easy road to get through the next election. That's what we campaigned on. And we are going to keep on working to get it done with Democrats, and I hope with Republicans and everybody else in between, to bring down costs, to end the worst practices of the insurance industry, to finally give every American the chance to choose quality, affordable health care. We are going to keep on working to get it done. I am not going to walk away from these fights. And I know you won't.